Hello and welcome to this Item UI tutorial. This video introduces you to how to configure a carrier account. When you need to use your own carrier account to print labels, you can configure it in the Carrier section of Settings. The list here displays all the carrier accounts you have configured, which you can edit. You can add a new carrier account by clicking the Add New button. Here you need to select a carrier and maintain the account number. Then maintain the API client ID, API client password, and API token. Additionally, you can maintain other account information as needed, such as name, company, address, and so on. Once you have maintained all this information, you can click on Add Shipping Account to submit your request. Once the account is created successfully, it will be saved in the user list. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to configure a carrier account. If you would like to learn more about other item applications, please take a look at our extensive library of tutorial content.